Hi guys, or evening guys, welcome to Football Brownie, hope you're well, keeping safe, keeping each other safe and spreading love with one another. Before I go any further, please like, share, most importantly subscribe to the channel. Remember, subscription is free. If you haven't done it yet, then why haven't you done it yet? Hit that subscriber button right now and don't forget the notification bell. Okay. Well, European football at its best, and as the teams out in Partizan Belgrade start warming up for a game, I suppose whether you're human or whether you're an animal, when you go, you just have to go. Just ask Gary Lineker.
Θεωρήσαμε αυτούς μας υποδέστες από την Partizan.
To je sreč. Ko golo prate? Kako možda gledaš na toliko auditorijum na to radi? Samo ako potpišeš.
Έχω κάνει και ένα σχόλιο μήνυμα στο delegate της